Good day. Cooking hack. Cooking soups and stuff like that. You got that big old fatty layer on the top. Let me show you how to get rid of that. First thing you want to do is kill the heat and get it to stop boiling so it's at a simmer so all the fat can float to the top. Then grab yourself a cold ladle and a handful of ice and some paper towels. Ladle with ice. Just dip it in like so. Pull it out. Wipe all that grease off. Repeat. Do this about 3 or 4 times, and all the grease will be off on your paper towel. Pretty simple. You guys have a great day. Stay safe.